And it's freaking bright out here. It's all right. It's early morning. We're getting stuff done. No reason to be upset about that. Fender mirrors. That's what we're doing today. We already did a video on this, but once we put the 4x4 fenders on, I never put the fender mirrors back on. So we're going to do a quick install of that. I'm going to run down like what you need to do, just super quick. Sometimes our other videos can get a little wordy. We talk a lot. We throw a bunch of details in there and things you need to know. But today I'm gonna focus on getting these things on like super quick. This should be like a 5 or 10 minute install, and we're gonna do it without taking the wheels and tires off. We're gonna do it without taking the fenders off. We're just gonna drill and tighten them up. All right, if you don't have any fender liners, you should be able to reach up under here and get all the way to this surface right here, okay? I've already marked on the fender where I want to drill. You can really put these anywhere on the fender. You can put them up here, you can put them down here. I like them kind of in the middle, but toward the front a little bit. I think it makes them look a little more aggressive. And this is kind of an aggressive truck because it's real low. The rakes forward a little bit. I've already marked where I need to drill right here. Boom, boom. The mounts on these, or the bolts on these, are about an inch apart from center to center. So I put two little marks, and you want to put them right in the center between here and here. And I put them up like the first mark is 15 inches from this corner right here. Second mark is 16 inches from right there. So I'm just going to drill. Done. All right, so when you buy these things, Amazon, eBay, from another loser, I don't know, whatever. When you buy these things, they come with all this stuff right here. This part goes on top of the fender like this. This part goes underneath the fender, underneath, and it goes like this. So it spreads the pressure that you're putting on the fender with the nuts. It spreads the pressure out so it doesn't bulge up right here or right here. I've drilled these holes. I know you know how to drill a hole, so I'm not going to show you how to drill. I showed you how to measure. Always measure twice, cut once. You know what I mean? All right, these are 11 millimeter. I don't know why they're 11 millimeter, but they're 11 millimeter. Whatever. Okay, the trickiest thing about doing this is figuring out extension length, especially if you're not going to take your wheel off, because you can just like reach up under there and get to this. You just have to know, you just have to have a bunch of different extensions to get the length just right. And I've got a small ratchet. Small ratchet, short ratchet definitely helps. So I'm gonna get this on and I'll show you. So there it is. I got one on. Boom. It took me about 5 or 6 minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you. I dropped the nut probably 2 or 3 times, a washer 2 or 3 times, and that little plate, that little gold plate that goes up underneath, I dropped that a few times. It's a little tricky. Like, you got to hold the top while holding the bottom, and then hold the bottom while you get the nuts on and stuff like that. But I mean, sometimes I just don't feel like jacking the truck up and taking the wheel off and all that kind of stuff. So it worked. Now I'm gonna do this other one and I'll show you after. All right, ladies, that was it. Y'all just saw it. I decided to put a clip in there of me just doing it all, dropping stuff, and getting it all done. That side took a little quicker than this side. I don't know, it took me 3-4 minutes just to get that on. So this is like literally 15-20 minute install. That's from beginning to end. I like the look of fender mirrors. Y'all don't care, whatever. Enjoy this video, have fun, like, subscribe, you know, all that crap. What else? Thank y'all for watching our videos, by the way. We love you guys. Let us know what y'all want to see in the comments below. We always put our email in the description of the comments. We always put things that we use, tools. What else? We put the products that we buy in the description, all that stuff. So look for it there. Later.